I'm doing things with so much feeling. I'm singing and playing for my life. I ain't messing around now.
Imagine the roar of icy Nordic winds cutting through a long ship's sails as Viking warrior Astrid grips her axe, eyes locked on the horizon. This isn't just a legend. Astrid was a force of nature. While most stories shout about Viking kings, Astrid's tale whispers secrets of a woman who defied an era. She didn't just survive the brutal Viking world, she ruled it. Skilled in combat, diplomacy, and seafaring, she navigated frozen seas and blood-soaked battles long before the world dared to grant women power. Some say she led raids sharper than Odin's spear. Others claim she bargained with jarls as equals, her name echoing in mead halls like thunder. But here's the twist. Astrid's legacy wasn't carved in stone. It was written in the courage of those who followed her. So tell me, what would you conquer if her fire ran in your veins? Drop your battle cry below. Let's resurrect her saga. Viking Astrid was born Astrid Berg in Argentina and first discovered her passion for fashion amid the vibrant. Unleash your inner warrior and step into the legendary world of Viking Astrid, the fearless shield maiden whose legacy echoes through history and screen. As portrayed by Josephine Asplund in Vikings, Astrid defies conventions, embodying unyielding strength and rebellion against societal chains. Her journey from the rugged shores of Hedeby to the battlefield showcases a spirit that refuses to bow, whether challenging norms or wielding a sword with unmatched prowess. Dive deeper into her story, where history and drama collide, and discover why Astrid remains a timeless symbol of resilience. Ready to witness her saga? Hit play and let the adventure ignite your soul.